Yeah, there's Mama Bird and her 3 squiggly babies. Looks awfully hot out, though. Maybe I should move them. I don't know if I should. Because, I mean, there's shade right there. But it's also only like 3 in the afternoon. I don't know. What do you think, Athena? What should I do? She's sitting on my shoulder. I'll set some water out for them. How about that? So she doesn't have to go all the way to the wetlands for it. And she doesn't have to work with the muddy water in that pot right there in the middle. I don't know if you can see that. What do you think? Yeah.